Friends, today I completed 75 plus important question from Indus Valley Civilization for UPSC, WBCS, CGL and State PSC exam. So start now. First question: which of the following was common both to the Harappan society and Rigvedic society? Iron implements, female deities, urban centers, horses. Answer is horses. Answer is horses. Was common both to the Harappan society and the Rigvedic society. Next question: which one of the following archaeologists initially discovered the Mohenjo-daro site of the Indus Valley civilization? A. Sir John Marshall, B. Rakhal Das Banerjee, C. Dayaram Sahani, D. Sir Mortimer Wheeler. Answer is Rakhal Das Banerjee. Rakhal Das Banerjee, who is the archaeologist, initially discovered the Mohenjo-daro site of the Indus Valley civilization. Next, which among the following throws light on Harappan culture? Archaeological finds, Harappan script, the rock edicts, none of the above. Answer is archaeological finds. Next question: what is the name, the script of the Harappans? Option are: A. Describe their war against the indigenous inhabitants. B. Has not yet been deciphered. C. Is written in Prakrit language. D. None of the above is true. Answer is has not yet been deciphered. Next question: the cities of Kalibangan and Lothal are associated with. Option are: Egyptian culture, Harappan culture, C. Aryan culture, D. Chinese civilization. Answer is Harappan culture. The city of Kalibangan and Lothal are associated with Harappan culture. Next question: the excavation at which of the following sites provided the evidence of maritime trade being carried on during the period of the Harappan culture? Option are: Mohenjo-daro, B. Lothal, C. Kalibangan, D. Ropar. Answer is Lothal site. Lothal is the site provided the evidence of maritime trade being carried on during the period of the Harappan culture. Lothal is a port city. Next question: the Harappan did not know the use of. Harappan did not know the use of bronze, gold, iron or silver. Answer is iron. Harappan did not know about the use of iron. Next, Harappan culture was spread over A. Punjab, Sindh, Bihar, Rajasthan or Gujarat. Option B. Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan, Afghanistan. Option C. Sindh, Punjab, Afghanistan, Kashmir, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Option D. Jammu Kashmir, Rajasthan, Afghanistan. Correct answer is C. Sindh, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Answer is C. Next question. This is the Aryans. Next question: the Great Bath of Indus Valley civilization is found. The Great Bath tube of Indus Valley civilization is founded at Harappan, Mohenjo-daro, Ropar, Kalibangan. Answer is Mohenjo-daro. The Great Bath of the Indus Valley civilization was founded at Mohenjo-daro. Next question: the glory of Harappan culture rests chiefly on architecture, town planning, craftsmanship, administrative system. Answer is town planning. The glory of Harappan culture rests chiefly on town planning. Next question: The staple food, this is not. Next question, the Harappan civilization is known for its agriculture or overseas trade and commerce. Option C, art and painting. Option D, drainage system. Answer is drainage system. Drainage system is most important. Next question, Lothal is a site where dockyards of which of the following civilization were found? Indus Valley civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, Egyptian or Persian? Answer is Indus Valley civilization. Lothal is located Gujarat state of the India. Next question, Indus Valley civilization is also known as the Harappan culture because option A, the site of Harappa is 6 times larger than Mohenjo-daro site. Option B, the Indus Valley civilization is considered the elementary or initial stage of the Vedic culture and Harappa is believed to be the same as the Harappa mentioned in the Vedas. Option C, Harappa was the first site to excavated in the Indus Valley. Option D, the most important or significant evidence of the achievements of this civilization has been excavated from Harappa. Answer is the Harappa was the first site be excavated the Indus Valley civilization. Next question, of the following sites associated with the Indus Valley civilization, one located in India, Lothal, Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, none of these above. Answer is Lothal. Lothal is located Gujarat state of India. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa is located of the Pakistan country. Next question, with which period is Indus Valley civilization associated? The Indus Valley civilization is associated with 2300 to 1750 BC. Answer is 2300 to 1750 BC. Next question, which of the following is correct? Option A, the Indus Valley civilization existed even before the spread of Harappan culture. Next, the Indus Valley civilization coexisted with the Aryan civilization. Next, the Indus Valley people used materials made of iron. Next, the Indus Valley civilization was an urban civilization. Answer is D. Indus Valley civilization was urban civilization. Next, the Indus Valley civilization people had the knowledge of option are A, gold, silver, copper, iron, bronze, but not tin. Next, gold, silver, copper, bronze, lead, but not iron. Gold, silver, copper, bronze, tin, iron, but not lead. Gold, silver, copper, tin, iron, but not bronze. Answer is B, gold, silver, copper, bronze, lead, but not iron. Next question, which of the following is the most important feature of the Indus Valley civilization? Option are burnt bricks building, to B, gold coins, sound system of administration, art and architecture. Correct answer is burnt bricks buildings. Next question, the Indus Valley people had trade relation with A, Egypt, B, Greek people, C, Sumerian people or Iraq, or D, Mesopotamian. Answer is Mesopotamia. The Indus Valley people had trade relation with Mesopotamian people. Next question, Knowledge about the existence of which of the following animals is doubtful in the Indus Valley civilization? Cat, dog, bull, or horse? Answer is horse. Horse is the doubtful animal in the Indus Valley civilization. Next question. The script of Indus Valley civilization is Persian, Dravidian, Sanskrit, undeciphered. Answer is undeciphered. Next question. The Indus Valley people were worshippers of Mother Goddess, Indra and Varun, C. Brahma, D. Vishnu. Correct answer is Mother Goddess. The Indus Valley people were worshippers of Mother Goddess. Next question. Which one of the following archaeologists initially discovered the Mohenjo-daro site of the Indus Valley civilization? Sir John Marshall. Next, Rakhal Das Banerjee, Dayaram Sahani, Sir Mortimer Wheeler. Answer is Rakhal Das Banerjee was discovered the Mohenjo-daro site. Next, the relics of the pre-Aryan civilization have been found. Takasila, Rajgir, Indraprastha, Mohenjo-daro. Answer is Mohenjo-daro. Next question. Which among the following is a place in Larkana district of Sindh province in Pakistan? Harappa, Alamgirpur, Mohenjo-daro or Rangpur? Answer is Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro is a place in Larkana district of Sindh province in Pakistan. Mohenjo-daro is located in Pakistan. Next question. Which among the following is a place in Montgomery district of Punjab province in Pakistan? Harappa, Rangpur, Alamgirpur, Mohenjo-daro. Answer is Harappa. Harappa is a place in Montgomery district of Punjab province in Pakistan. Next question. Where did the Archaeological Department of India carry out excavation in the Indus Valley civilization? Option are Kalibangan or Lothal, Harappa and Rangpur, Mohenjo-daro and Alamgirpur, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. The Harappa and Mohenjo-daro is the Archaeological Department of India carry out excavation of Indus Valley civilization. Next question. What led to the end of Indus Valley civilization? Invasion of Aryans, recurrence of floods, earthquakes, or all of the above? Answer is all of the above. Next question. What were the residential houses of Indus people made of? What were the residential houses Indus people made of? Option mud, stone, copper, baked bricks. Answer is baked bricks. Next question. Who was the main female god worshipped by Indus people? Same question. Lakshmi, Shakti, Saroda or Mother Goddess? Answer is Mother Goddess. Next question. Who was the main male god worshipped by Indus people? Indra, Vishnu, Brahma or Lord Shiva? Correct answer is Lord Shiva. Next question. Which among the following was worshipped by the Indus people? Stones, tree, animals or all of the above? Answer is stones, tree, animals, all of the above. Next question. Which was the most frequently depicted animal? Elephant, unicorn, rhino, tiger? Answer is unicorn. unicorn was the most frequently depicted animal in the Indus Valley civilization. Next question. Consider the following statement and mark the option which is correct. Option 1. Pashupati seal has been found from Lothal. Next, the Harappan bricks were made in ratio 1:2:4. For small measurement binary system and for big measurement decimal system were used in Harappa. Next, Persian Gulf seal have been found in Lothal. Answer is 2, 3 and 4 is right, or first the Pashupati seal has found from Lothal is wrong. Next, remains of horse bones have been found from A. Lothal, B. Surkotada, C. Kalibangan, D. Dholabira. Answer is Surkotada. Horse bones have been found from Surkotada. Next, a seal depicting Mother Goddess with a plant growing from the womb has been found from Harappa, Kalibangan, Daimabad, Mohenjo-daro. Answer is Mohenjo-daro. Next question, there has been an absence of seal in Alamgirpur, Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Lothal. Answer is Alamgirpur has been an absence of seal. Next question, from where a stone-cut water reservoir has been discovered? Surkotada, Kalibangan, Dholabira and Harappa. Answer is Dholabira. Dholabira is a place where a stone-cut water reservoir has been discovered. Next question, consider the following statement and mark the option which is correct. Option 1. The predominance of Mother Goddess denotes people's faith in fertility cult. Option B. Mainly offensive weapons were found in Harappa. Option 3. 6 types of pottery have been discovered from Kalibangan. Option 4. Painting on a jar resembling the story of the cunning from Panchatantra has been found from Lothal. Answer is all of the above. All are true. Next question. Consider the following statement and mark the option which is correct. The first man-made port was found in Harappa. Wrong. The main crops of Indus Valley civilization were wheat and barley. The largest Harappan settlement in India is Rakhigiri in Haryana. Right. The largest number of settlements are Ghaggar Hakar Valley. Right. First is wrong and 2, 3, 4 is right. Next question. Consider the following statement and mark the option which is correct. Rice husk has been found from Lothal and Rangpur. Option B. Evidence of signature of a wall has been discovered from Dholabira. 3. A 13-roomed house from the overlap period has been discovered from Bhagavanpura. 4. The statuette figure of bearded man has been recovered from Mohenjo-daro. Answer is all are true. Next question. Consider the following statement and mark the option which is correct. Broken ivory was used as a scale of Chanhu-daro. Right. Next, during burial bodies were extended in north-south direction. Right. Ganerinkala site is situated Bahalpur, Pakistan, right? And the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro measure 12 into 7 into 3 meters, right? All are right. Correct answer is all of the above is true. Next question. The script of Harappan people consisted of a family of quasi-pictographic writings, a family of geometrical shapes, a combination of both pictures and geometrical shapes, and none of these. Answer is a family of quasi-pictographic writings. Next question. Which of the following presents the most significant features of Indus Valley civilization? Burnt bricks buildings, building of worship, art and architecture. D is first true arcades. Answer is burnt brick buildings. Next question. Which of the following is incorrect concerning Mohenjo-daro? It was well planned city, building were varying size, bathrooms were important feature of most houses, there was no drainage system. Correct answer is D. It is no information. There was no drainage system is the correct answer. Next question. The sources of blue gemstone lapis lazuli for the people of Harappan culture was Gujarat, Maharashtra, Western UP, Afghanistan. Answer is from Afghanistan. Next question. The Indus Valley houses were built of bamboos, bricks, woods, stone. Answer is bricks. Next question. Of the following Harappan site, those not in India: Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, Banwali and Ropar, Lothal and Kalibangan, Lothal and Ropar. Answer is Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa are located in Pakistan. Next question. The source of the blue gemstone completed. Next question. Which of the following is not an Indus Valley civilization site? Alamgirpur, Lothal, Kaushambi, Balakot. Answer is Kaushambi. Kaushambi is not the Indus Valley civilization site. Next question. The latest Harappan site discovered in Gujarat is Dwaraka, Kuntasi, Manda, Kandia. Answer is Kuntasi. Kuntasi is the latest Harappan site discovered in Gujarat. Next question. Which Harappan site is associated with the rice cultivation? Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan or Lothal? Lothal is the Harappan site is associated with rice cultivation. Next question. The tools and weapons of Harappan civilization were mostly made of stone only, stone and copper, copper, bronze and iron, copper, tin and bronze. The tools and weapons of Harappan civilization were mostly made of copper, tin and bronze. Copper, tin and bronze. Next question. The Lothal civilization was known for art and architecture, agriculture, trade and commerce or drainage system. Correct answer is drainage system. Next question. The spread of Harappa civilization is conterminous with the irrigation facilities, soil fertility, wheat production zone or availability of raw materials and minerals. Answer is wheat producing zone. Answer is wheat producing zone. Next question. The Indus Valley civilization was discovered in the Indus Valley civilization discovered in 1912. Next question. Traces of which of the following has not been found in the Indus Valley civilization. Barley, sesame, mustard, sugarcane. Answer is sugarcane has not been found in the Indus Valley civilization. Next question. The ornaments of Indus people were made of precious stones, B. Copper and bronze, C. Gold and silver, or all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Next question. The animal picturized on the most Harappan seal is unicorn, humped bull, zebu, buffalo. Answer is unicorn is the animal picturized on the most Harappan seal. Next question. Button sized seal of Harappan civilization have the symbol of fish, swastiks, shivatsa, unicorn. Answer is swastik symbol. Next question. Bed making workshops are found in Lothal and Rangpur, Lothal and Chanhudaro, Chanhudaro and Harappa, Harappa and Kalibangan. Answer is Lothal and Chanhudaro. Bread making workshops are found in Lothal and Chanhudaro. Next question. The Indus people depended on Rajasthan for the supply of tin and silver, silver and gold, tin and slate, slate and jet. Answer is slate, tin and slate. The Indus people depend on Rajasthan for the supply of tin and slate. Next question. The ivory scale is the found from Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Kalibangan. Answer is Lothal. Ivory scale is found from Lothal site. Next question. The Harappan script is similar to which script? Harappan script is similar to which script? Option are Kharosthi, Brahmi, Dravid, Devanagari. Answer is Dravid. Next question. The Indus people imported lead from Saurashtra, Maharashtra, South India or Central Asia. Answer is South India. The Indus people imported lead from South India. Next question. Harappa is situated on the bank of which river? Sindhu, Ghaggar, Ravi, Bias. Answer is Ravi. Harappa is situated on the bank of river Ravi. Next question. Evidence of ploughing the land is found from agricultural land found the Rangpur, Harappa, Kalibangan, Ropar. Answer is Kalibangan. Next question. The Harappan seal were mostly made up of steatite, red sandstone, terracotta, ivory. Answer is steatite. Answer is steatite. Next question. Trace of a canal built by Indus people is found near Harappa, Dholavira, Sortugai, Sotkaka. Answer is Sortugai. Next question. The evidence of ship or big boat has been found from. The evidence of ship or big boat has found from Chanhudaro, Lothal, Mohenjo-daro or none of these above. Answer is Mohenjo-daro. The evidence of ship or big boat has found from Mohenjo-daro site. Next question. The Indus site 60 hectares in Gujarat is which site is 60 hectares? Lothal, Dholavira, Surkotada, Rangpur. Answer is Dholavira. Next question. The Indus people imported copper from Baluchistan, Balochistan and South India, Balochistan, South India and Arabia, none of the above places. Answer is Balochistan, South India and Arabia. So Indus people imported copper from Balochistan, South India or Arabia. Next question, a terracotta model of ship is found from Surkotaka, Rangpur, Lothal or Dholavira. Answer is terracotta model of a ship is found from Lothal site. Next question, in which direction the deeds were buried by the Harappan site? North south position, east west position, any position did not bury. Correct answer is north south position. Next question, according to archaeologists, the settlement of Mohenjo-daro shrank in its decline from 85 hectares to 3 hectares. B. From 85 hectares to 10 hectares. C. From 90 hectares to 3 hectares. D. From 90 hectares to 10 hectares. Answer is from 85 hectares to 3 hectares. Next question, the decline of the urban phase of civilization is evident from vanishing of Harappan script, the disappearance bronze tools, no more redware poetry with black designs, all of this above. Answer is all of this above. Next question, which of the following statement is not correct? Mohenjo-daro was flooded a number of times. Next, Harappa was flooded twice. Chanhudaro was inundated. Next, some settlements in Balochistan were destroyed by fire. Answer is Harappa was flooded twice time. Last question is cemetery H is situated in Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Lothal, Rangpur. Answer is Mohenjo-daro. Cemetery H is situated in Mohenjo-daro site. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel for next video. Thank you.